In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide layers in Figma. Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool used by designers around the globe, and mastering its functionalities can greatly enhance your workflow. One essential skill in Figma is understanding how to manage your layers, which can make navigating complex projects effortless. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Figma in your web browser. Simply navigate to figma.com and you'll find yourself on their homepage. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's free and quick to do. For those who already have an account, you'll see a login button at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. This will take you into the familiar interface where all your projects live. Now once you're logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. From here you can access all the different sections of Figma, such as your drafts and themes. To get started with adjusting your layers, click on the design link in the sidebar or on a particular design file you wish to work on. This will open up your design file in the main workspace. With your design open, direct your attention to the layers panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is crucial as it presents all the elements within your design file, including groups, images, and text layers. The layers are listed in a hierarchical format, helping you keep your design organized. Understanding this layout is key to navigating your designs efficiently. Now let's focus on how to show and hide these layers. In the layers panel, each layer is accompanied by a small eye icon, which is located just to the left of the layer's title. This eye icon is your tool for visibility control. By default, all layers are visible, indicated by the eye icon being open. If you want to hide a layer, simply click on the eye icon next to the layer. The eye will turn to a backslash, indicating the layer is now hidden. Hiding layers can be particularly useful when you're focusing on specific parts of your design or trying to troubleshoot issues without distraction. Should you need to make the layer visible again, just click the eye icon once more and it will reappear in your design workspace. And there you have it. Managing layer visibility in Figma is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your design process, keeping your projects tidy and easy to navigate. By efficiently using the eye icon, you can streamline your workflow and focus on the details that matter most. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature in your design process. Thanks for watching and happy designing.